Good evening, Noswaith. Welcome to Cora Borough's Nos an Lawen on the 10th of July.
We're Ridian and Amy, we're the events coordinators.
Good evening, Noswaith. Welcome to Cora Borough's Nos an Lawen on Noswaith. Welcome to Cora Borough. And that's what we call a technical hitch before we've even started.
Okay,
so you now know that we are streaming on YouTube. We've had confirmation of that. So back to the planned programme.
Okay,
Amy, over to you.
So yes, we are the events coords or social secretaries of the choir. Pre-lockdown days, we used to plan days out in the pub for the Six Nations, those sorts of events. But post-lockdown, things have changed a bit. What kinds of events have we been doing?
We've been doing trips to the theatre. We've had quiz nights, cookery shows, and that's been on top of rehearsals on a Tuesday evening, all done via Zoom. So who says you can't have fun just because coronavirus is about?
We also had another Nos an Lawen a couple of months ago, and tonight was meant to be Cora Borough's summer concert, which unfortunately we couldn't have in person. So we thought, what's the next best thing? We'll have another Nos an Lawen via Zoom. And this is quite a special one because we've invited friends and family to perform. So we've got some other choirs who will be joining us as well and performing some bits. So got some surprises in store.
Absolutely. Hoping it's very much a celebration of Welsh culture in London. So let's get started. What have we got up first?
So we've got a performance of Cora Borough in the Eisteddfod Genedlaethol in Llanrwst last summer. One of the songs we performed is Rhoi'n Gysan or Let Him Kiss Me. So we'll let you hear that right now.
Okie dokie. All going well. Let's share the screen. And there you go.
Ymlaen at y nesa. Let Him Kiss Me ar cyfieithiad Cymraeg Rho I Mi Gysan. Pedwerydd dewis ar gyfer y côr yma, Côr Capel Cymreig y Boro o Lundain. A dyna I chi'r arweinydd, Mike Williams. Mike Williams arweinydd Côr Capel Cymreig y Boro. Côr goff yn...
And there we go. Cora Borough's performance at the Eisteddfod last year, for which we came second, which was a fantastic weekend for everyone.
Did indeed.
Okie dokie, on with the programme. So up next, we've got me performing a poem. So the poem is called Hon.
I'm going to get out of the way to let you do
Okay,
your
so
thing.
let me take centre stage. So the poem's called Hon. It's a very old Welsh poem. And yeah, it means a lot to a lot of people. So hopefully I can do it justice. Beth yw'r ots gen I fi am Gymru? Damwain a hap yw fy mod yn ei libert yn byw. Nid yw hon ar fap. Yn ddim byd ond cilcyn o ddeiar mewn cilfach gefn, ac yn dipyn o boendad i'r rhai sy'n credu mewn trefn. A phwy sy'n trigon y fangre, dwedwch i mi. Dim ond gwehilian o boblach. Peidiwch da chwi a chlegar am uned a chenedl a gwlad o hyd. Mae digon o rhain, heb Gymru i'w gael yn y byd. Rwyf wedi alaru ers talwm ar glywed grŵn y Cymru bond i gribwyll yn cadw sŵn. Mi af am dro, i ysgoi ei llyferydd a'i llen, yn ôl yn cnefin gynt am dychymyg yn dren. A dyma fi yno, diolch am fod ar goll, ymhell o gyffro geiriau'r eithafwyr oll. Dyma'r wyddfa i'ch rhyw, dyma lymder a moel ni'r tir, dyma'r llun a'r afon a'r clogwain, ac ar fy ngwir, dacw'r tŷ llym ganed, ond wele rhwng llawr a ne mae'r lleisiau a drychiolaeth ar hyd y lle. Rwy'n dechrau simsanu braidd, ac meddaf i chwi, mae rhyw ysictod fel pa'n dod dros o fi, ac mi glywaf gryfhangau Cymru'n dirdynnu fy mron. Dyw am gwaredo, ni allaf ddianc rhag hon.
Gwych iawn, gwych iawn. Excellent. So that kicked off our live performances. So tonight is a mixture, we should have said, of live performances and pre-recorded performances. So keeping you on your toes. So I think now we're going to be welcoming Mark.
So we can bring Mark into the Zoom call. Mr. Mark Salmon.
Hey there, sir.
Hiya. It's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. You're a legend.
And you can tell it's live because there's been technical hitches already.
Oh, it's perfect. It really is. I cannot believe you're so lucky to get. Have you got a meter rule between you or something?
You can't see. There's a screen between us.
Oh,
just
right.
to make sure we're completely compliant with government.
Anyway, listen. You don't need me to expound on. What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Your inspiration. What's the piece? What's what's inspired it? Give us the backstory.
No, that's great.
Time limit 30 minutes.
Yeah, the song is Sarah. It's a song that Trevor mentioned to me, and I seem to owe Trevor a lot. And effectively said, if you don't do this, obviously there'll be consequences. So I'm doing it basically out of a need to pay off debts. No, but it's a shame because obviously Trevor should be with us now telling about it. But we managed to keep 2 meters apart, I hope. And when we recorded it, went down and sang it. We know 3 or 4 different versions. And sadly, you've got the worst one.
Wouldn't have
but
it.
Hey, you guys, a lovely evening. Enjoy yourselves. It's fabulous.
Thank you.
Okay, do it, Mark.
Great to see you, Mark.
Okay, we'll get Mark's recording up for you now. There we go. And there we go.
Fydd gobaith cariad pur a hedd, a phob rhyw nebol fraint. Yr Iesu sy'n gryfau, om mewn a'i waith trwy'r ras. Mae'n rodd i'n ergym hen a'i gwan, I faid I mechod cath. O goniant bydd am drefn y camod ar ganhad. Terbaniaf Iesu fel ar wyf, a chanaf am y gwaed.
Oh, that was gorgeous.
Absolutely lovely. Diolch yn fawr, Trevor a Mark.
Diolch yn fawr.
Okie dokie. Coming up next, we have none other than Kerry James performing Old Man River live, if we can get him into the meeting room. Have we got Kerry?
We should have Kerry. We could always play it before and speak to Kerry afterwards.
That
I
might be the
suppose.
best thing to do. So, a man who, of course, needs no introductions. It's none other than Kerry James. So, let's get Kerry James up here. There we go. That's Kerry. Battery.
No.
No.
Oh, Kerry's performing live.
Kerry is performing live.
Oh, there
Read your
he
own
is.
notes. There we go. Kerry, welcome. Kerry's just joining. Hello, Kerry.
Hi there.
Hey, we've got you.
Hello. Welcome to the Nos an Lawen.
I see you. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
See you perfectly.
Okay, right, good. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for inviting me. It's great to be here, and it was great fun last time. I'm sure it's going to be great this time. Yeah, I decided to do Old Man River. It's got connections with the miners in South Wales. So if you know the story, Paul Robeson made the song famous in a musical called Showboat. And basically, I haven't actually seen the musical, so I wouldn't like to say what it's, you know, whether in what context it's in these days. But I love the song. And of course, Robeson led a very interesting life. He was an athlete and a civil rights campaigner. And, you know, he also performed at the Eisteddfod, and he had a strong connection with the Welsh miners, and he was in a film as well called The Proud Valley, which is about the Welsh miners. So, yeah, I hope you like the song. Here we go, anyway.
Thanks, Kerry.
Old Man River, that old man River, he must know something, but he don't say nothing. That old man River, he just keeps rolling along. He don't plant taters, he don't plant cotton. For them that plants them is soon forgotten. And Old Man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, we sweat and strain, bodies aching and racked with pain. Towed that barge and lift that bail, get a little drunk, then you land in jail. But I get weary, I'm sick of trying, I'm tired of living, but I'm scared of dying. And old man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, we sweat and strain, bodies aching and racked with pain. Tote that barge and lift that bail. You get a little drunk, then you land in jail. But I get weary, I'm sick of trying, I'm tired of living, but I'm scared of dying. And old man River, he just keeps rolling along. And old man River, he just keeps rolling along. Okay, thanks.
Oh, that was lovely.
Diolch yn
Thanks,
fawr,
Kerry.
Kerry.
Diolch yn fawr i chi.
Channeling Paul
Fantastic.
Robeson there. I love the Paul Robeson version, but I also love that version, Kerry. It was great. Yeah.
Absolutely lovely. Okie dokie. Righty ho. Moving on with the show. So next up, we've got Amy performing something for us.
Yes, we've got another pre-recorded one this time for you. So this is a duet with me and my friend Chloe. So we met each other about 12 years ago, probably now, it's a bit depressing, in Welsh National Youth Opera, a long time ago, performing in Sweeney Todd. So we've kept in touch since then. We both love musicals, so we thought we'd do a little duet from a musical called Wicked. I'm sure a lot of you will know it. And it is called For Good. So I'm hoping my friend Chloe is watching with her friends and family tonight. We had a lot of fun making it. And thanks as well to Simon, who put it together for us. Not quite sure how he did that, tech whiz kid. But yeah, so hope you enjoy.
Okie dokie. So I'm sure these links between things will get quicker as we go on, but for now, here's Amy and Chloe performing something from Wicked.
People come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a
Beautiful stuff, guys.
Diolch yn fawr.
Wonderful.
Right, lovely. We should have Sioned up next, who's going to introduce a piece on the harp for us. So we'll see if Sioned is in the waiting room.
Absolutely. If we can. Which button am I pressing? You can tell where the brains of the operation is here. Sioned coming in. Hi, Sioned. Closer.
Hi, Sioned.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear us okay?
Yeah, good deal. Amy, that was beautiful. Well done.
Oh, thanks very much.
I feel like I should apologise for what's to come next because it's not as good.
Oh, don't be
No,
silly.
not at all. It's lovely to have a piece on the harp as part of the Nos an Lawen.
And also Rydian, that Hon Barddoniaeth brought back so many memories, like such a powerful poem, isn't it? We used to do it for GCSE Welsh.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's always stuck with me as like the one piece that was really one.
Yeah, it was a nice trip down memory lane doing that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okie dokie. So tell us a little bit about the piece that you're performing for us this evening.
So it's a piece called Fields of Gold. I know it from Eva Cassidy's, from her cover of it, but I think Sting did it originally. And it has no relation to Wales whatsoever, unlike a lot of the other pieces tonight. But yeah, it's a piece that I thought was quite pretty, but unfortunately, I don't have a C string. The middle C string broke the other day, and I have ordered another one, but it didn't arrive. So I'm sorry if it's if I look a bit confused during it. But yeah. Fields of Gold by Sting.
Fantastic.
Lovely. Thanks, Sioned.
Okay, Fields of Gold coming right up. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch fawr, Sioned. Absolutely lovely.
Diolch yn fawr. Lovely piece from Sting there. I've got a bit of local trivia about Sting. Apparently, the other week, a local choir in Battersea were having a socially distanced Zoom rehearsal, and they were joined by Sting halfway through. Apparently, he lives in Battersea, And yeah, he joined them for the session. So maybe we should try and get him along for one of the Borough Zoom rehearsals.
Quite possibly that'd be a good idea for us. Okie dokie. So coming up next, we've got Endav.
So I think
Yeah.
Endav is going to come to introduce to us a piece that he has pre-recorded. So we'll just admit him into the Zoom room.
So hopefully Endav will be coming in for us. Endav, close
Hi
open.
guys, how's it going?
Noswaith dda, chi iawn?
Not so far. Yeah, very good, thanks. Great job so far, guys. Lovely
Diolch yn
performance
fawr.
from everyone.
Oh, fab, diolch.
Okay, so Endav, tell us a bit about the song you're going to be singing for us.
Yeah, so I wrote this song a long time ago. It's like, I was just asking now how many years it was when I was in high school. So it's 20 years since I wrote this song. But I've always been writing kind of songs on and off. And yeah, it's just a song I wrote when I was in high school. It's essentially around saying, look, I can't smile all day. And it's kind of, I guess the words are kind of targeted towards someone who, it's so easy when you look at someone else's life and you kind of think their life is perfect. And yeah, that's kind of it in a nutshell. And obviously when you're that age as well, everything's kind of exaggerated. And yeah, that's kind of what it's about, really. So for those who don't speak Welsh, the lyrics is something to the likes of, yeah, I can't smile all day, you know, go home and smile, I'll see you tomorrow, everyone will be whistling in your town. So it's from a slightly maybe bitter 17-year-old who's just kind of, yeah, trying to find his identity.
Fantastic.
Oh, lovely, thank
Sounds
you.
like we're in for a real treat.
And can you just confirm to me whether you are in fact a triplet or is there some clever camera work going on?
Well, I do have an identical twin brother. So yeah, without giving the game away, yeah, just don't be too concerned about the social distancing. There were some exceptional circumstances at hand.
Okay, noted. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic.
Great, diolch Endav.
All right, diolch yn fawr.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, let's get Endav up. Okay,
You can go now, I guess.
you can indeed. We're just going to get the screen up and then that should be Endav performing for everyone. Here we go.
Thanks for having me. Tonight I'm going to sing a song I wrote all the way back when I was in high school, and it's called Gwenedr Dydd. Like a lot of us, I'm a little bit tired of singing by myself, so I'm going to call in some support. Iawn? Iawn? Hwn yn bach o show off. Ti'n gweld y uwcs newid? All right. Iawn. Amdani, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dwi'n siŵr o'r ddamcaniaeth, mi welais o ddwywaith wrth i ti a dy ffrindiau, chwerthin drwy'r dydd, dos adre i wenu mi, welai di fory fydd pawb yn chwibanu yn dy bentre di, yn dy bentre di. Ond fedrai'm Gwenedr Dydd, mae dy bryd ferthwch di yn brifo bob dydd. Mae gen i amheuon mai fi fydd atgofion ti a dy wyn, ti a dy wyn. Wel neud dim coelio, be weles i eto ond ti a dy ffrindiau yn Gwenedr Dydd. Mae'n oer ar y mynydd anghofio tywydd, mae'n braf yn y stormydd yn dy bentre di, yn dy bentre di. Ond fedrai'm Gwenedr Dydd, mae dy bryd ferthwch di yn brifo bob dydd. Mae gen i amheuon mai fi fydd atgofion ti a dy wyn, ti a dy wyn. Diolch. Thanks, everyone. I also just want to say thanks to James, who's been leading rehearsals on Tuesdays and keeping us all musically motivated. And thanks to everyone else as well who's been working behind the scenes, making Nights Like Tonight possible. I think the choir's done exceptionally well to keep going during lockdown, and yeah, I'm very grateful to be a part of this community. So, diolch bawb, noswaith dda.
Wow. And Hugel Endaf, that was incredible.
Really amazing.
Some camera wizardry there, absolutely fantastic.
Lots of
A real treat.
Comments coming through about how Endaf should be releasing that as a single. So get on it, Endaf.
Yeah, watch this space, I think.
And apparently we're visible, so I hope people have been enjoying our dancing.
The joys of performing live, more technical hitches on the way. Okay, so massive thanks to Endaf.
And just to reiterate what Endaf was saying about, you know, how we've been keeping the choir going, I think it's amazing that we've been rehearsing every week still during lockdown, and James, our conductor, has been doing a really amazing job. He will be performing a bit later. But yeah, so thanks again to James, keeping us going.
Absolutely. So to close the first half, we've got Gwahoddiad being performed by the Gwalia Choir, who are another choir in London. They're a male voice choir who perform out of the London Welsh Centre. Now, do we have anyone from the Gwalia joining us?
We do. We have Steve, who's waiting. Okay,
Steve from Gwalia. We'll just bring him into the Zoom call to say hello and introduce the piece. Hello, Steve. Can you hear us okay? Hello, Steve.
Hi, how you doing?
Very well, thank you. I think we can hear Endaf performing in the background, I think.
Yes, is that all right?
I think you'll need to close that down if that's okay, just because the YouTube link is on a minute or so's delay.
Right. So he's off.
Yeah, perfect. That's great.
And who presses the YouTube link, you or me?
That's all with us. So you just have a chat to us, and then we'll do our best to do the technical stuff, and that's fine.
That's cool.
So thanks very much for joining us, Steve. Did you want to tell us a bit about Gwalia?
Yes, I can do. Do you want me to tell you now, or everybody?
Absolutely. Yeah.
What? Sorry.
Yes, please.
What now?
Yep.
Right now.
Right. Yeah. Hi. I'm Steve. I'm the chairman of the Gwalia. The choir was formed 53 years ago, and I've been in the choir myself 45 years. We rehearse on Wednesday evenings at the London Welsh Centre, or we do normally. We've been holding our Zoom rehearsals on Wednesday evenings, and hope to get back to the London Welsh Centre as soon as we can to hold our distanced rehearsals. We have various protocols that we're hoping to put in place whenever the London Welsh Centre feels able to open their doors. This is a recording that we did in the London Welsh Centre about 5 years ago. Arglwydd Dyma Fi, the tune of Gwahoddiad, Invitation, what a big favourite with the choir, and what most people like about it are the amens. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm really enjoying the show.
Fantastic.
Lovely.
Thank you very much for joining us. Hugely appreciated. So we'll get up Gwahoddiad for our audience just now. And yeah, massive thanks from us for taking part in the Nos an Lawen. It means a lot to have members from different choirs in London joining us. So diolch yn fawr.
Thanks for the invitation.
So we're just going to get the right screen up. There we go.
Sa
Bendigedig and
That was,
Hoggle.
that was lovely. That really took me home, which is nice.
Those amens really are quite something, aren't they?
That was amazing. Diolch yn fawr, Gwalia. Thank you for sharing that with us. So we're going to go into a short break now. We'll be back at 8:20, so don't go too far. Like little toilet break. Go and get your glass of wine during the interval. And we'll see you
Absolutely.
shortly.
Yep. One thing to look out for, we're going to share on the screen in a few minutes a link to Zoom. So if anyone would like to join us after the Nos an Lawen for a bit of chit chat online, a lot of Cora Borough will be there. We'd love for audience members, anyone from other choirs like Gwalia to join as well, just a bit of a chat and a drink. So what we'd be normally doing after Nos an Lawen, but all online, as just about everything is at the moment. So look out for that in a couple of minutes, and we'll hopefully have that up after the show as well. So that's it from us for the first half. See you at about 8:20.
Can you pass the wine? The bottle?
Croeso nôl
Croeso
I
nôl.
ail hanner Nos on Lawen Cwr y Borough.
Hope you've got your drink in hand. So to kick off the second half, we have got some songs from the shows. So this is a recording from the Welsh of the West End. It's from a musical called Rent. I'm sure a lot of you will know. It's a song called Seasons of Love. It's a wonderful song. Yeah, there were quite a few Welsh actors and singers in the West End. So this is really to pay tribute to them, who've been putting up some amazing videos on YouTube over lockdown. So this is one of theirs. Enjoy.
Yep, there we go. So here's the Welsh of the West End, Seasons of Love. Absolutely incredible, and editing to rival NDAPs, maybe.
Yeah,
maybe.
pretty good, wasn't it? I think
Absolutely.
some of their tech was maybe marginally more advanced than ours.
Yeah, perhaps.
Just
you know, yeah.
slightly.
But hey, it's the delights of performing live.
Indeed.
Okay, so next up, after that wonderful rendition of Seasons of Love, we've got Mark Salmon back in the house. So let's bring Mark in
Let Mark back in.
for a chat.
So Mark was one of the co-presenters last time, so we've had a lot to live up to, haven't we?
We have indeed. Mark and Tom Parry Jones showing us how done.
Mhm.
Nos da, Mark?
Shmai, that's a that.
Diolch.
Shwmae?
Now, Mark, we've got a thank you to say, a diolch yn fawr to you and Rachel.
Oh, okay.
Everyone watching will have noticed that the audio quality improved significantly about 20 minutes in. And that's thanks to Rachel giving us a little tip off about a little technical trick. So please do pass on our sincerest thanks if you want to Rachel this evening.
Fair enough. I will do. No, great. I love that she gets more of a mention than me. That's fabulous. Thanks.
Of course, I mean, that's the only reason we invited you to talk about Rachel, of course.
We
So,
were saying what-
yeah.
We were saying what a fabulous job you did last time and how you're a lot to live up to, Mark. So we hope we're
Nah.
today.
Yeah.
You guys are legend. This is fabulous. Seriously, such a good show. Well done, boys. Well done. That's fabulous.
Talk about.
Well, it's lovely to have you back again in the second half.
Yes. Well, thank you. Yeah. Worming my way in with another one of my writings. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh,
So
lovely.
tell us about the poem and then go for it.
Yeah. Thank you. Well, I don't know. Where I am, there's been a whole kind of like 3 months or so worth of a thing called lockdown. There's been this virus going around, and I've been stuck more or less indoors. And the opportunities I've had listening to the ease of lockdown and so on has kind of piqued me, because I'm terrified, to be honest. I'm a bit of a scaredy cat. So I wrote this just a couple of days ago. So some people may already have read it somewhere else, but yeah, it's called. What I did, I wrote it in English. I've just translated it into Welsh in my head, and I'm now going to translate it back to English. Yeah. Okay.
Lovely.
Yeah. Right. Driven to distraction. Driven to distraction by normal in all its fake reality. The data passing for trace and track. The bubbles burst in their growing mess. A season of silent songs individually caught in tessellation screenshots. Mouthed, unheard. The delay and stutter. The frozen moments. Not least on the passing pavement journeys, easing myself to wonder. Who is touching what, when, and who is sharing my buffet, my glass, my breath? Into the sea of distanced neighbors, now newly nodding acquaintances, smile and move on as the perfect plane trees sway to the swirling circles of discarded memories, perfectly packaged, torn apart, left for nature to be foxy with its debris. The art of gentle interaction is exhausting. Must I learn to converse again? Can I not press the red leave button and be on my way? I have churned over the wild dreams of niceness and fairness, and have lived with timed slots for delivery of my next meal. I am happy to gaze out of my window and discuss the merits of others. The welcome noise is deafening and missed. Beneath these foundations, the carriages rumble. Beyond the wall, the red buses groan. Below my gaze, the good trains thrum, counted and ignored. I will nod, wave and smile, but will I return to embrace them, driven to inaction by normal?
Oh, that was beautiful. Thank you, Mark.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.
A real sense of what life in lockdown is like, isn't it?
Driving me crazy.
You and me both.
Hey, enjoy. Nice to see you guys are still locked down, socially distanced. Very proud of you. Yeah, and my thanks to James and everything, and Endav and Kerry and the rest. Sinead, oh my goodness, fabulous. And lovely to have Gwalia and the lots. So thanks for getting them to come along. That's brilliant. Enjoy your reading, guys. I'll
Thanks,
hopefully speak to you soon.
Come
What's that?
Now.
See you soon, Mark.
Oh, that was lovely.
Fantastic stuff.
So we're back to a pre-recorded piece next, and this is a quartet, but not as you might think. It's Dave, Dogs, and Dewi. So we're going to let a couple of them into the room now to have a chat with us.
There we go.
I think we've got
Di.
Di.
Yeah. Good evening, Di. In 3, 2, 1.
Di, are you there?
Hello.
Aha,
Hello.
we see
Are
you.
those famous Zoom words? Can you hear me and can you see me?
Hearing and seeing you loud and clear.
Good.
See, massive fan of the audio setup you've got there. You've got a microphone into shot. That's the sign of a true Zoom professional.
No, it's because I'm watching it on the other screen and just speaking to this one.
Fantastic. So tell us a little bit about the piece that you'll be.
This song is it's a 4-part harmony piece, but it's actually originally a song by Bruce Springsteen, which he just plays on his own with the guitar. but it was sung by the Flying Pickets in the 1980s. And I've always liked it, really. And the guy who's going to sing the lead on it has just got the absolute perfect voice for it. I knew that. I just said, will you do this? And so he's doing that, Dave Price, who sings with the Rugby Club Choir. It's easy to sing with 4 other guys live, because you can tell by, you know, their little breaths and movements exactly when they're going to sing. And it's a bit different if you're trying to do your own part individually and then knit it together afterwards, which is what we've done. There is a video with it. Unfortunately, Dewi is also singing on it. Unfortunately, he can't appear in the video because his hair has grown too long to be subjected to an audience, and so I've selected a couple of still shots of.
Oh, excellent!
That's very good of you.
Thank you.
And the video has been the visual aspects of it are done by my son, actually, who is in film production, and he was furloughed at the time, and still is, and so this gives him something to do. So I hope you enjoy it.
So a family effort and a conjoined effort from
the
Rugby Club Choir and Cora Borough as well.
Yep.
Fantastic stuff. Okay, well let's get you guys up and see.
Enjoy.
See the performance. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch, Dai.
There we go. Okay. So Dai, we're just going to mute you just for avoiding any background noise, and then over we go to the performance. In 3, 2, 1, off we go.
Early in the morning, factory whistle blows. Man rises from bed and puts on his clothes. Man takes his lunch, walks out in the morning light. It's the working, just the working life. The working, just the working life. Through the mansions of fear, through the mansions of pain, see my daddy walking through them factory gates in the rain. Factory takes his hearing, factory gives him life. The working, just the working life. The working, just the working life. End of the day, factory whistle cries. Men walk through these gates with death in their eyes. And you just better believe somebody's gonna get hurt tonight. It's the working, just the working life. The work, the working life.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Amazing harmonies.
Absolutely. And we were slightly out earlier. This was in fact a collaboration between the London Welsh Male Voice Choir, the London Welsh Rugby Club Choir, and Cora Borough. So yeah, fantastic representation of a number of different choirs in the London Welsh community. Absolutely fantastic stuff, guys. Diolch yn fawr.
Beautiful, lovely footage as well. Wonderful. Okay, so next we are going to welcome John, who's going to introduce a song that he's done with Noreen. I think John is in the waiting room for us.
Yeah.
This is another pre-recorded piece, and John, I believe, is also in the Gwaliasu. Can tell us a bit about that.
So John coming in. Hello, guys. Can you hear us okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Fantastic stuff. Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, no problem. Good fun.
Absolutely. Can you hear us okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Fantastic stuff. So I think we've got you on YouTube as well as on Zoom. So can you mute the YouTube feed for us?
Just have an echo.
I think we've got you on YouTube. So can you mute the YouTube feed?
I have.
2 for the price.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Diolch
Wonderful.
Hang on.
Good.
There's nothing quite like a live performance, is there?
And this is nothing like a live performance.
Indeed. So please tell us a little bit about the Gwalia and a little bit about the performance you're doing for us this evening.
Well, the Gwalia had a sort of joint Nos an Lawen in May, and we all chipped in a little bit in the same way as this. And I was going to do a sort of naughty-ish, Sister Josephine was the name of the song, but my wife said that's a bit inappropriate.
It was more than a bit inappropriate. Totally inappropriate.
Well, that sums up the Gwalia. That's what I'm saying.
But we're at 20 to 9, and I think that's close enough to the watershed, so I think we're okay.
But so,
in the pub, it would be okay.
So she said, you can't do that. So I thought, we'll do something sort of safe-ish, but you're going to have to join in. So I got her to do a few of the actions, because obviously she didn't know the words. It's a simple Max Boyce song, Morgan the Moon. So I had her doing a little bit of sign language, a little bit of props. So saves her bloody right. I should have done Sister Josephine.
Yeah.
Lovely. And my mum will be happy. A bit of Max Boyce.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Okay, what an absolute treat we have for us. Okay, guys. Well, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Also, you don't get to hear me sing because I do the sign language, so it's a good one for you. No voice.
Well, my voice is gone. She never had one, so that's not a great combination.
I mean, I can't think of a more iconic duo. So you know.
Oh, perfection.
Okay, guys. Well, we better not keep the audience in suspense for any longer. I think we'll start playing it, and we'll just meet you guys again just for avoiding any background noise. So, diolch yn fawr. Thank you for joining. Hope to see you for a drink at the London Welsh Centre before long. Okay.
Right. Good evening. Welcome. I'm going to sing with Noreen. We're going to sing Max Boyce song, Morgan the Moon, simple song, simple chorus. So you can all join in, not that we'll hear you. Now, some of you have, the audio isn't very good because of lag. So Noreen's going to use some visual props and a little bit of sign language to help you through things. The simple chorus is sing fal da dal day. It's a bit loud, isn't it? Anyway, good luck. Here it goes. Old Mock the mechanic, I remember him well. He once built a rocket, or so he did tell, from an old winding engine that he found on the door, built in the Rhondda and powered by coal. Sing fal da day. And when it was finished, he painted it red, and he called it Bethania. Or so it is said. And he took it up a mountain on a late night in June. To get that much closer, said Morgan the Moon, singing fal da day. Sleepy Treorchy was bathed in white light when the shuddering hulk took off in the night, jerk off in the night. A deafening scream and then a great roar, and up to the heavens old Morgan did go. His heat shield was glowing like anthracite coal, like anthracite coal. We prayed down in Cardiff in mission control as the barrow wheels dropped, as was previously planned, and old Morgan prepared for the fire to land. He landed like linen. He landed like linen on a dusty old crater. Di said he'd get there lunar or later. So off Morgan went to the moon swirling dust to collect some rock samples from the crater's hard crust. Singing fal-de-ral-dal-de-ral-day. A strange piece of rock, so old Morgan found. It was lying there shining in the dust-covered ground. He picked it up closely and let out a call. Could written right through it, still right through it, in Welsh was Porth Call. Well done, Morgan. Good health, Morgan. Good health, Morgan. Morgan, good health. Good health, Morgan.
Cheers.
Tidy.
Oh, that was fabulous.
Yeah, that was absolutely beautiful. We loved it. Thank you.
I don't know about you, but from our end, it was completely out of sync. Was it out of sync with you?
Well, we're watching it and it was absolutely perfect.
Oh, it was great for us. We had a lapse.
It was beautiful. So I'll toast the two of you.
Captain Morgan.
I'm sorry if you could hear me laughing throughout that.
That was fantastic, guys. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.
Oh.
All right. We'll say North Star and we'll move on to the next one. Thank you very much.
Take care. Cheers.
Oh, so next up, we've got another member of Cora Bora. We've got our very own Ross, who's going to perform live for us. So we'll just admit Ross now.
Bringing in Ross. North Star Ross.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, I don't quite know how to follow that.
It was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, talk about, a disappointment now. It's good. Talk about an anticlimax.
Not at all. We're very much looking forward to what you've got for us this evening.
Oh, thanks. It's been a bit of I've been trying to think of something to write, and I've had terrible writer's block, but there's nothing quite like a pressing deadline to get you to the creative juices flowing. And so this was a lunchtime today.
Panic's very good for the
yeah. It was a lunchtime today sort of last minute poem called Neighbours.
Oh,
but don't worry, it's not based on anyone who you would know, I hope.
Okay, it's not based on the Australians.
No, I'm not going to sing the theme tune either, no.
That's a shame.
Although if all else fails,
Fantastic. We're very much looking forward to it. And of course, Ross, we have to thank you for the amazing cookery class that you led a few weeks ago.
It was my pleasure.
Thanks. Absolutely. So yeah, great. So man of many talents, a cook and a poet as well.
Well,
in that order.
Maybe one of those.
Okay, so now are you performing live for us? We've got to record.
I am, yes. Live
right,
it is.
Okay. In that case,
over to you, Ross.
Yeah, over to
Brilliant.
you. Take it away.
Thank you very much. Okay, so this is a poem, as I say, called Neighbours. And it goes a bit like this. There are 20 little houses on sleepy Aylesbury Terrace. It's a cul-de-sac with privets and signs saying, commit no menace. Mrs. Richardson lives at Preened number 18. She has fully fitted carpets and smells of Mr. Sheen. She watches who comes and goes behind her freshly dipped nets, I think you'll find. She values manners and good breeding, and it's Miss, if you don't mind. Next door lives Mr. Anderson, a caretaker at the school. He wears big brown overalls, and a broom's his favourite tool. When he's not stacking chairs from a concert in the hall, you'll find him laying bricks to rebuild his falling garden wall. A young couple just moved in to pretty number 5. She teaches dancing, ballet, tap and jive. They have this little kiddie who's always making noise. And when they finally settle him down, the dog starts barking for his toys. But if it's dogs you want, then head to quiet number 3. Miss Fisher breeds show dogs, and each with their own pedigree. You'll find canine faces on her teacups, earrings, and bedding. She even crochets bow ties for dogs to go to weddings. Slick Mr. Farrell lives at flat 13B. He has a sports car in the driveway and a 50-inch TV. He's always talking on his phone, but it's never to his face. He uses those little headphones, but you can hear him from space. Then there are the Williams boys, who are now big and grown. They come back from university for washing and alone. Mrs. Williams barely has time to get their dirty clothes to dry before she sends them off packing, trying not to cry. At 12, you'll find Dottie Mrs. Evans, who seems tipsy all the time. She grows sunflowers in her living room and dries her tea bags on the line. Her house is painted lime and orange, to Mrs. Richardson's dismay, but Mrs. Evans doesn't seem to care because she drinks whiskey most of the day. The car at number 9 never leaves the drive. Mr. Tucker lives there alone, but he's got 3 former wives. He likes German beer and is partial to chicken satays, or at least that's what we know from what his recycling box displays. It's a pretty normal street with its residents big and small. Just be wary if you visit and be careful on whom you call. Don't worry, I'll be told if you're ever passing through, because these are all my neighbours. You see, I live at number 2. Thank you very much, guys.
Oh, that was brilliant. Thanks, Ross.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thanks both for a fantastic evening.
Be slightly terrified of visiting your street, I think. That's a nervy.
As I say, not based on anyone I know.
Okay, mate. Your secret's safe with us and everyone watching, of course.
Cool. Cheers, guys.
Oh, fab. Thanks,
Talk about Ross. See you soon.
See you later.
Okay, right.
Great. So I think we're on to our final performance of the night. And this is a pre-recorded piece by our Lord and Saviour, otherwise known as our conductor, James Prideaux. So yeah, we hope you've had a lovely evening, and this is our closing piece before we have the national anthem, obviously.
Of course.
Yeah, so this is James and his flatmate Tom, I believe, and it's called This Boy, so enjoy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That boy took my love away, for he regretted someday. But this boy wants you back again.
Absolutely beautiful stuff. Thank you very much, James. So James, of course, is the conductor of Cora Borough, and I think is in Paris this evening.
He is indeed.
Seeing his girlfriend for the first time in a few months. So James, if you're watching, hope you're having a lovely time. And of course, we should mention as well, James, of course, took over leading the choir from Mike Williams a few months ago. Mike set the choir up and ran it single-handedly for a couple of years and led us to some fantastic evenings at the Eisteddfod in particular. So Mike as well, if you're watching, hope you're well and staying safe. And a hello from everyone at Cora Borough.
We miss you.
Okay, so on to the closing number.
Yeah, this has happened quickly.
Yeah,
Sad.
time's flown.
Gosh. Yeah, thanks to everyone who's performed tonight. We really appreciate it. We've had a real variety of performances, I'm sure you'll agree. And this is also being recorded, so you can enjoy it once again at your leisure, including all of our technical glitches.
Yeah, and we think the recording is missing the first 20 minutes or so. So there's yet another technical hitch for you to enjoy if you do watch it back afterwards.
Does that mean we can use them again the next Not On Now?
Quite possibly, yeah. That poem's going to be making a reappearance.
Excellent.
So on to the closing number. It is, of course, Hyn Mlaf and Hadau. What else?
Can't have a Welsh night without Hyn Mlaf and Hadau. We won't sing along because you will hear us, but singing on the inside.
Yeah, so we'll be silent, but we hope you're all singing loudly at home.
And this is from a recording in 2014, I believe, for the Six Nations. So this was shown on the BBC. It includes some Welsh choirs from Cardiff, some people might recognise. Yeah, and I think the Welsh National Orchestra as well. So enjoy. Thanks for joining.
Oh,
that is perhaps the best version of him I've ever heard. That was fantastic. So that was, of course, deliberate. That was a little test just to make sure you're all still awake at 9 o'clock on a Friday night. The sharp-eared amongst you will know, of course, that was Calon Lan. And trust us, that was deliberate.
Yes.
So we hope you enjoyed that.
It's an anthem of Wales.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
So that appropriately concludes the Cora Borough Nos an Lawen, Mark II of coronavirus times. We've enjoyed ourselves. We hope you have too.